Okay, you guys, I just wanted to make this little video. My Canon EOS R has been serviced. I had to pay up front, so you guys need to know that. They're gonna go to a support page, I believe, on Canon site, and they're gonna ask you what error code you get, and they're gonna give you a quote with that. They expect you to pay that before they even give you a number so you can ship your camera to them. I just happened to be in Newport News, where they have possibly their largest on the East Coast repair center. So we went there pretty fast, came back pretty quick. I guess 8 days or so, 8 working days, something like that. So it wasn't terribly too bad. But prior to that, I've been very busy, so I haven't put up any videos. So that's about to change pretty soon. Okay. In the videos I'm recording here, it's not going to be with the EOS R, because I'm talking about the EOS R. I'm taking it out of the box. I'm going to give you a small illustration of what you might go through shipping your camera to them, getting it repaired, and then getting it back. Alright, mine said error code 70, something about battery communications, and I tried all these different things and it didn't work. I had to send it to them. I had to pay $400 up front, and basically they verified that was the issue, that the whatever kind of board is in there was pretty much just shot. I had issues from the beginning, and I had a 13-month warranty, but I didn't send it in because I figure, you know, I wanted to make my YouTube videos, and the little walkarounds I had to do for the issues wasn't that big a deal, but I wasn't very smart. I should have sent it in. They probably would have found that issue and rectified it, and I wouldn't have paid for it. But my first problem basically was the multifunction button. Months later, a few months later, not even 6 months, could have been 3 or 4 months or so, the multifunction button got stuck and it wouldn't go up or down. So every time I turned the camera on, it was some kind of menu, and I'd have to press the shutter button to get out of that menu so I could go about my business, whether it was photography or video. Right now it's all YouTube videos. I don't do any photography because I just don't have the time. My job is just really taking up most of my time. My wife takes up the rest, and then I'm usually trying to relax so I can go to the next day's work a little more relaxed, not so tired all the time, because sometimes I'm just really tired. But hope you guys enjoy the video. You're going to see a lot more. If you guys got any questions, you want to know anything, let me know. My other problem was, after I got an iPhone 7 last week, 7 Plus, and I uploaded the 14.5 new software to it. But I hear this has been a problem for a while. You can't download videos from the iPhone, or certain iPhones, for I don't know how many years, but they have some kind of limiter on there, or they're using H.265 instead of H.264. It's some of the things I saw on YouTube that don't allow you to do it. Well, I found a software that allows me to do it, and that's going to be in the next video, or the next third video, because I got one I'm working on which I haven't finished yet. So I'd like to finish that up for you guys first, and we'll see how we go from there. Hope you enjoy the video. Any comments or questions, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, my desk is a mess. Please don't pay too much attention to it. This is about the Canon EOS R. Had it since late 2018 when it first came out. I paid full price for it, which I should have kind of held back a little bit, but I was hungry at the time for equipment because I was using APS-C sensor at the time. I think 70D or something like that. What happened was, after I bought the camera, first the multifunction button got stuck and it just wouldn't move out. I was able to get it out with a knife or something sharp, and as soon as I pressed it in, it kind of stayed in ever since. So I turned the camera on, and the multifunction button would put up a screen, and I'd have to kind of press the shutter button to get out of that screen, and that's where I would go. And then after using the camera for years, I went to go make a video about some insect, which you guys will probably see after this, because I gotta finish that video. While I was making the video, I was on the last final step. I think I made 10 sections or 10 individual cuts, and then I was making the final piece, and sure enough, the camera started going nuts on me. I thought I pressed like too many pictures at the time. I was rushing. I was outside going back and forth. It winds up I killed the camera, mostly because the board got shorted out or something like that.
Our people. Our block is just like yours.
Let's quiet that computer. You need to hear that. So this is what they gave me back. They gave me back what I sent them. I sent them with my little adapter because I didn't have the body cap, but I was able to get them on eBay for pretty cheap. Let me pause the video for a second while I get a little bit closer, alright? Now that we're closer, we should be able to see just fine. I'm interested to test to see if they actually fixed the multifunction button because I put it in the comments. I didn't actually speak to someone, and it looks like it's popped out. The body looks a little better than expected. It looks like it's new. I see a little, well, I came from the, probably from the, let's see what else we got here. They cleaned a lot here, I can tell. And there was a white mark here, and it's still there. I don't know if you can see that mark there. Still there. I don't remember where that came from because I never dropped the camera. Okay, so yeah, it looks like they cleaned a lot. Just besides just taking it apart. So we're gonna have to put a lens on it and get to test it. So give me a second again while I pause the video, go get a lens. Okay, if I didn't apologize about the fan noise, I apologize about the fan noise. Give me some material here. Let's see what they say on description. And multi-function button works now. It didn't work after I got it. I think I got it for a short spell. How long did I have? I had it for maybe less than a few months, 4 or 5 months before it got stuck down. I had a 13-month warranty, free from B&H Photo, when I bought the camera. Came with the paying the full price for the camera, and early as it came out. Well, they did fix it, so, and they charged me $400 to fix it. I had a error, said error 70 on it, which basically means some kind of error between the battery and the camera, which actually wasn't. It was the board itself that was pretty beat up. It's just too time. I'm pretty sure, and I hate to say this, it's a Canon mistake on their part, and we're getting charged for it. $399.11. Okay. And $14 2-day shipping. $359. $14 free shipping. For shipping, sorry. 2-day shipping. $26.11 tax. $399.11. Okay, charged to my credit card. Let's see what other stuff they did. It says cleaning of Canon products. For your information regard. So they send me a link to where to go to learn how to clean my camera, which apparently I'm doing the best at. But these cameras usually hold up very good, except for this part here. Tracking information. I guess that's when I sent it to them. Priority mail, which got there the next day. Something about my address and something about Canon maintenance, and they send me my original receipt back. $3,400 for the camera body and the 2470L f4 lens. 24 to 105, excuse me, 24 to 105 70L 24 to 105 L f4 lens. Okay, excuse me, little tongue-tied this morning, apologize about all that. And some other stuff about Canon maintenance. So I have to, they're pretty much telling me I'm not maintaining my camera properly, but they cleaned it up really good. I can tell just by looking at it. It looks pretty good, pretty new. Maybe a small amount of areas could use a touch up, but let me pause the video while I get the lens on it, put a battery in it, and test it. Okay. Okay, we're still at it. This must be take 5. Having trouble uploading the video to my Windows machine with the iPhone 7 Plus. I have the new software, the 14.5 version. That could be part of the problem. I think I just downloaded some kind of converter, video converter. The Kodak could be. I don't think it's the problem because the smaller files upload just fine. Anything larger than a certain size when I upload, it tells me, gives me excuses. Put it that way. Okay, you guys know how computers are. Have my largest arguments with computers. That makes any sense to you guys? I mean, we're talking about days, weeks at a time. When I first started video rendering over a decade ago, when that wasn't really a big thing, they were transferring from standard definition to high definition 1080p, and it was weird things going on those days. You guys can see the camera's working just fine, which is what I'm happy about. Multifunction buttons here is working just fine also, so that's great. First time that's happened in years. Got the camera in 2018. Things didn't actually work right from the beginning. Most photographers will use walkarounds or live with imperfections just so they can do what they need to do. And me, I do that for my YouTube videos now, since I don't do any real photography right now at all. Unfortunately, my job takes the bulk of my time and my wife takes the rest. A lot of you guys understand that. Either way, things came good from the factory. I'm happy. I'm not happy I had to pay additional $400. I believe the messed up board came defective from the factory because I had all kinds of issues in the beginning and I didn't set it in when I had a 13-month free warranty, which I should have. So that's my fault, and I'm $400 out of pocket now because of that. I'm hoping to upload this video because the quality looks better on the 7 Plus than it did on the 6. Since I uploaded the 6 uploaded immediately. It says MOV, which is what it's supposed to be. I'm not sure what this is, what format this is on here. If it's a little bit different, I don't have a job to it, but I don't think so. Again, the smaller files uploaded right away. It was the larger one that would not upload. So we're gonna give it a shot again. I want to make a video for you guys on megapixel size. I think it's the dumbest argument today about, well, one has more than the other and that makes the camera better. It doesn't. A lot to leave to the imagination of people in the know. If you're not in the know and you're new comer, you will be kind of surprised at how people can do things better without so many megapixels, because the resolution of the lens should equal the resolution of the sensor, even if it's wide open. If it doesn't, you just lost a ton of money for no reason, and your image quality is gonna fail, and people are gonna see that. And I think that's working against yourself, spending all that kind of money and things not working out. Either way, happy with the camera, happy with the product. Again, still has a stupid little slide bar here that nobody really likes, nobody uses. So the R6 and the R5 got it right. If I had to go for R6 or R5, since I don't shoot 4K very much, and you can shoot 4K on the R6 but not 8K, I can't see the quality for it. At my age, I can't even see 4K on the screen properly without getting too close to it, because it makes the pixels half the size. It's I guess for young people's eyes, not for old people's eyes like myself. So I go, and the low light capability of the R6 for me is superior than a lot of other cameras. Right. Hope you guys are enjoying your photography, your videography, your YouTube channel, whatever it is you're doing. I'm definitely enjoying mine since I got my product back, and I'll be making more videos for you guys definitely in the next few days, a lot more, just to try to catch up from how far I've been behind but the past few months. Apologize. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.